Everyone, I am Risalat Sadiq. So let's talk about design a pill view in Swift UI. Let's talk about design a pill view in Swift UI. In this tutorial, I will design a pill view in Swift UI so that first we will take a capsule shape in Swift UI. We are applying stroke border modifier on it with style of stroke style. We will keep line width of one point and dash is 2 point and apply text as an overlay on this shape. So first of all we are going to create on this command N and which have a Swift UI view, and this Swift UI name is a pill view. Okay, we are going to create on this pill view and this is a pill view. Okay, we are going to resume on this application. So pill view. First of all, we're going to create on this V stack, and now we are going to create a capsule shape. Capsule shape we're going to apply on this stroke border, and stroke border which have a stroke border style shape style, and line width is equal to 1 and dash is 2. We're going to apply on this frame. This suppose this is a we're going to apply on this frame is 1 width and dash is 2. Okay, 100 width and 13 height. Okay, so overlay we're going to add on this text on a shape weighting. So first we will take a capsule shape in Swift UI. Okay, we are applying a stroke border modifier on it with stroke style. This is a stroke border modifier. Okay, modifier. We will keep line width of 1 point and dash 2 point and apply text as an overlay on the shape. This is a pill view, and this is in this pill view. Suppose we are going to create on another pill view. Pill view which are part on the multi-line text. Wait loading. It's not increase on this text, but this increase not increase on text. So which have this not apply on this frame. Suppose this is the not apply on this frame. So pill view this increase, but is check on this issue. Command Z. This pill view, create on this pill view. Pill view in Swift UI. Create on this pill view in Swift UI. This is a margin apply on this Swift UI pill view. Okay. Now in this text apply on this. Suppose this is the text and overlay in this frame, but it's not apply on this frame in this pill view. Suppose we're gonna apply on this width is 200 width and 60 height. We apply on this video. We can apply the multi-line text. This is a loading. Add on this loading. This is a multi-line. This pill view we can add on this frame. In suppose this is we can use the geometry editor in this frame. Suppose we are gonna get a geometry editor and add on this frame. Suppose in this frame. Okay. Now we are on our level. We're gonna add on this text in this pill view. So in this pill view. So thank you for watching. If you enjoy my channel, like my videos. First, we'll take capsule shape in Swift UI.